How to add cash on Revolut. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add cash or deposit cash to your Revolut account. So if I go to the official Revolut website and search cash deposit, there it'll provide you with an article. Now I'll briefly go through the article. Now as you can see, it says that the cash deposit feature is only available for select customers of Revolut who are located within the 50 United States or Washington DC. If cash deposit is available to you, it will be displayed within the Revolut app. So as of now, the cash deposit feature is not yet available outside of the United States. So if you are anywhere outside the United States, such as the UK, Finland, anywhere, you won't be able to use the cash deposit feature as it is only available for United States. And you can add cash easily to your Revolut card account at select retailers via cash deposits for a retail service fee of up to $4.95, which will be collected by the participating retailer. Now they will be displayed within the Revolut app. You can simply open the app, and if your app has the option of cash deposit, it will also provide you details about the participating retailer and their fee. All you have to do is basically find an available cash deposit location at a participating retailer near you and present the participating retailer with your physical Revolut card as well as the amount of cash you'd like to deposit along with the retail service fee. So these are the following limits right over here. So you have a daily limit of either $1,500 or 3 cash deposits. You have a 7-day rolling limit of $3,500 or 10 cash deposits, and a 30-day rolling limit of $5,000 or 15 cash deposits. Now here is how you can add a cash deposit from your Revolut app. So you can simply open the app and then you will see the option add money. Now once you've done that, tap on the change your deposit method to cash and then tap on the option unlock locations near me. After that, you'll have to select a participating retailer location. Now once you have gone to the participating retailer location, you'll have to present them with your Revolut card and the cash amount that you'd like to deposit along with the service fee. Now once you've done that, make sure to collect receipt from the participating retailer confirming your cash deposit, and within a couple of days you'll have that amount available on your Revolut account. So that is basically how you add cash or deposit cash to your Revolut account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.